Today I'm going to show you one of the best method in which you can earn money online, and for that you will only need your phone or your laptop. So only if you have two of these gadgets, so one of these two gadgets, you can start earning money right away on the method that I'm going to present to you step by step. You can also use iOS or Android, it doesn't really matter because it is both available at them. It is completely free, and what's more good is that it doesn't cause you any stress at all. Why so? Because it doesn't require any knowledge or any specific skills that you will need to have. Not at all. You will just need to follow my steps, as I said, and it's completely worldwide. So it doesn't matter in which part of the world you're living right now or you're watching this video, because this method it is used everywhere. Now follow my steps and stick to the end of this video and learn how you can earn those money with this new method that I'm going to show you right away. But before I jump into more details, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also have a look at our other videos as well, in which you will find different methods how you can earn money online. Now jump into more details about earning money online, as I said. So for this new method of earning money online, you will need to go to Latium. So this is a website of a freelancer. As you know, working as a freelancer these days has become a real trend because it's one of the easiest way to earn money online without having special skills or knowledge, working at the comfort of your own home, especially on these cold days in which you would mostly prefer to stay at your own house. Now, as you can see here, you will find popular services in which I'm going to show you. You can explore each of them, like graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music, audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyles, and many other services. Of course, feel free to use each of them or all of them to earn money if you feel so, or even if you think that you have the skills that they require for graphic designer or digital marketing or for any kind of other services that provide over here. It doesn't really matter. If you want to earn money, then you can use each of them to earn those. But if you don't have the skills and want a method in which doesn't require those knowledge, then stick to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you a tool how you can earn money without having a knowledge of any kind of these services. Because over here you are going to find a service in which doesn't require that kind of knowledge. This is a great website in which has 1 million users over here, so it is very trustful, guys. Don't be afraid because it gets you direct payments, so it's truly trustworthy website. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Always here serving for you different methods in which you can earn money. Now let's jump into more details and go to the join button over here, and don't waste more any time. So you will have to sign up with your email address. Of course, if you don't have an email address, you can sign up with a Google account or even with Facebook. But I would usually say to you to stick with an email address. After putting your email address, you will have to put your username, first name, last name, password confirmation, and then you can sign up. After signing up, they will send to you an email in which you will have to verify that it is you. After doing that, you will be directed here, in which you will have to decide if you want to hire or become a freelancer. Of course, we are here to get money, not to pay others, right? So you will just have to click on become a freelancer and then confirm. After doing that, you will be directed over here. Now what you will need to do is go to your profile and edit your profile by putting more about you and explaining more about yourself, so people can trust you, their work, and pay you for real. So you will have to put your skills over here, all the skills that you have. After finishing, then you can do it by clicking on get started, and then you will need to go to the I want to work and then browse projects. So here you will find different projects in which you will work with. As I promised to you, I'm going to show you a project in which you can work with without having the need of knowledge or even the skills for that. So what you will have to do is go to translation and languages over here. After clicking it, you will be directed to this page in which you can see different people paying you for translation from English to Spanish or other languages as well. And as you can see, they are paying a great amount of money, from 100 to 500 to 250, but there are also more like 300 payments and even $5,000, guys, just for translating. Now you're probably wondering that you don't have the skills or the basic knowledge of a translator. So how you can do this work? I'm going to show you. It's a very easily job. You just have to communicate with the person, and after he has sent to you the document that you have to translate, you just have to go to the Google and type Google Translate. After typing Google Translate, you will go to Google Translate official page. So here you will have to choose the language that you will need, for example English to Spanish. I'm going to show you an example. So here I'm going to click on documents, because most of the people will send to you documents that you will need to translate. After doing that, you will have to browse your computer in which you will have downloaded the document. As you can see here, I have downloaded a document on English in which I will want to translate on Spanish. After doing that, after converting over here, I will click the button translate, and it will be translated into Spanish. Now I can copy the text over here, and you have to go to the Google Documents, in which you will have to create a Google document with the translation that you did. After pasting it over here, you can save it and download it as a PDF document or a Microsoft or plain text. It doesn't really matter, but I would usually recommend you guys to do it on PDF document. After downloading, you can see the document over here in which you have made the translation required from your clients. Now you can go and put it over here. As you can see, it was very easily job done, and you can get paid so much for what? Just for doing this thing. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leave a like to this video.